Hello guys, CodeChef here. We are going on with our 15th exercise in this series of exercises. And this exercise is named second largest. So probably we need to find the second maximum in some array, or who knows, something like that. Yes, it's something like that, but we don't have an array. We just have three numbers. We have three numbers A, B, C. And from those ABC we need to find the second largest among them. So we need to find the second maximum between three numbers, which means the middle number of them in decreasing order. In the first line we read an integer t, which represents the number of t cases. In the next t lines we read three integers ABC. From them, in each line we need to output the second largest number. So for example, at the number in the first test case, 120, 11, 400, we can order them by the greatest, 400, 120 and 11, and the second one would be the middle one, and that would be the result 120, and so on with the other test cases. We won't order them, we won't make sorting, we won't sort them, but we can sort them. We will use an if case statements that just write the basics of the program. We need t, we need a, b, c. Firstly we read the t, the number of t cases, and we have the classic for, which iterates t times. We have seen until now a lot of times this for. I've explained it what it does, and to read three numbers a, b, c. So we are going to explain what are we going to do. So we have three different numbers. Those three different numbers, we can they can be positioned in 6 different ways. We can have 6 permutation of them. For example, we can have ABC, CAB, CBA, the reverse one. We can have CAB, BAC, and ACB, BCA. So let's suppose that they are in an increasing, they are sorted in the decreasing order. So A is greater than B, B is greater than C. So A is greater than B, B is greater than C. The result in the first case would be B, because B is in the middle. Also in the second case, B is in the middle. And if we add the greater sign between those, and then we'll have, made a mistake, to type a bit faster, don't waste your time. So in the next two ones, the A is in the middle, so A is the result, and the next and last one, the C is in the middle. So we just need to make if else as where we test those. If it's this or this, then we output B. If or those, then we output A. How we know that there are 6 possible combinations, 6 possible ways of the numbers how will behave? We know it because number of permutation is number of numbers factorial. So we have here 3 variables, 3 factorial, which is 6. So in the first case, we need to have A greater than B greater than C, or C greater than B greater than A. But C++ isn't that smart, so to translate this and give us the needed the answer we need. So we need to separate. We'll put this in extra brackets. So we need to separate this in A greater than B and B greater than C. Also, the same goes for the next one. C is greater than B and B is greater than A. In those two cases, we have as result B. In the other case, we have C greater than B or this. Also here we are adding the AND operator between them, so because A is in the middle, A must be less than B and more than C, so we can have the answer as A. Now here we output A, and we don't need to write the last condition, we just will output C. And because we need in each place an end line, new line, we just didn't put here that end line in every place. To be more beautiful the code, we just added it in the end. So we are getting, let's go, no need to get that, we can just copy the code, go submit down there, waiting to load for the text editor so we can paste there. Here we go, we pasted it, we submit now, and we are waiting for an answer if our solution is correct. Yeah, we got an answer that our solution is correct. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the red button right below the like button. You can also turn on the notification by clicking the notification bell to not miss our upcoming videos. See you soon on Code Purpose.